Hello from Seoul. Are you looking for the easiest one-pot recipe with simple ingredients? Then you came to the right place. But here's the twist. Our pot is gonna be the air fryer. And trust me, it's gonna be super easy to make, easy to clean up, and absolutely delicious. Today, we're gonna be making chicken and potatoes. But it's not just regular boring chicken and potatoes. It's gonna be a one-pan version with this air fryer. Pretty awesome, right? All you need to do is just season the chicken and potatoes with a touch of Korean flavors and pop them in the air fryer. Sounds super easy, right? So please give this a try. If you do, your weeknight dinners will become so much easier and more satisfying. For this, you will need some chicken, potatoes, and garlic. What? You think green onions are missing? Okay, I got it. It's not really necessary for today's recipe, but let's use a little bit as a garnish to make it look fancier. Alright, let's start with our aromatic vegetables. First, smash 5 cloves of garlic and finely chop them. Next, thinly slice 2 to 3 green onions. And as always, separate the whites and greens. The white parts are gonna be in our marinade and the greens will be our beautiful garnish. Now, let's move on to the chicken. Today, I've got 1 pot of boneless skin on chicken thighs. Why? Because the fat from the skin will not only add extra flavor to the chicken, but they will also infuse the potatoes with a lot of richness. So don't even think about other options and just stick with this bad boy. Now, to marinate our chicken, let's add 2 tablespoons of Korean chili pepper flakes, half a tablespoon of garlic powder, half a tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of gochujang, Korean chili paste, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, half a tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, minced garlic, the white parts of the green onions, some black pepper, and give it a good massage. Since I'm gonna use the air fryer today, I'm doing this in a separate bowl, like this. But if you're going with the oven, just do this right on your sheet pan. That way, you will save yourself one less dish to wash. Pretty good tip, right? What? You wanna know this kind of tip more and more? I'm so glad you brought that up, because everything you need is in these 2 books. Trust me, with these bad boys, Simply Korean and Beyond Korean, you can cook 200 East Asian dishes like Korean, Chinese, Japanese, and even Korean fusion dishes like a pro. So don't forget to check them out. The link is in the description. Once the chicken is nicely coated, put it in the fridge for at least 10 minutes. Of course, longer is always better, but even 10 minutes will work just fine. Alright, while our chicken is having a great time in the fridge, let's move on to the potatoes. Grab 4 potatoes and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Since we're gonna roast them in the air fryer, make sure they're not too big, otherwise they won't cook at the same time as the chicken, and you might end up with undercooked potatoes. And trust me, when your hungry bird is waiting, that's the last thing you want. So please keep them nice and small. Once that's done, transfer them to a mixing bowl. And then to that, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a generous pinch of salt, and give them a good toss. Since my air fryer basket is like a wire mesh, I'm doing it in a separate bowl. But if your basket is more like a bowl, just add the potatoes, olive oil, and salt straight in there and mix it up. That way, you will have one less dish to wash. Now, let's add our potatoes to the air fryer basket. Make sure to spread them out so they don't stick together. And then place your chicken pieces skin side down. Close the basket and cook at 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. By the way, no preheating is needed for this recipe. Pretty awesome, right? After 15 minutes, flip all the chicken pieces. And then cook at 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit for another 10 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked. That's it! Super simple, right? Prep is easy, cleanup is minimal, it's absolutely perfect for busy weeknights, right? So please give this a try. You will absolutely love it. By the way, we have all the instructions and a list of ingredients on our blog, aaronandclaire.com. So please visit here if you need a written recipe. Alright, time's up. Let's open up the air fryer. How about that? Looks amazing, right? Crispy chicken and perfectly cooked potatoes. What more could you ask for? Alright, let's plate it up nicely. And for a little extra touch, let me garnish some steamed veggies on the side. What? You think that sounds too complicated? Don't worry about it. It's super easy. I just microwave some frozen veggies with a splash of water. And last but not least, let's sprinkle some green onions on top. How does it look? Isn't that just beautiful? Alright, let's go to our taste tester and see how it tastes.
Claire! 와, 엄청 맛있어 보인다. 치킨이 완전 주시해 보이네. 맛있어 보인다구나, 그치? 어머, 먹어야 돼? 일단은 비주얼도 비주얼인데 향이 미쳤어. 약간 그 닭에 있는 양념이 에어프라이어 하면서 살짝 탔나봐. 그러면서 약간의 그 숯불 향이 샤라락 나는 게 식욕을 자극하네. 오, 엄마만 먹어서 미안해. I'm sorry. Wow, I'm gonna have a big bite. Cheers. 와, 말이 필요 없네. 그냥 너무 속 안에 촉촉한 육즙은 살아있고 겉에 있는 껍질은 바삭하니 너무 맛있어. 겉바속촉 딱이다. 거기다 양념은 뭐 흠잡을 데가 없네. 고추장에서 오는 그 감칠맛 나는 약간의 그 hit이랑 감칠맛 나는 맛이 딱 알맞게 간을 잘 맞춰줘가지고 너무 맛있어. 솔직히 이 양념 싫어할 사람 아무도 없을 것 같아. 그 정도로 너무 맛있다. 이번에 감자를 먹어볼게. 역시. 엄마 말 너무 맛있어 보여? 응?
너 말이 너무 많아.
웨지가짜 먹는 그런 식감이야. 속에는 포근포근하고 겉에는 바삭한 느낌. 너무 맛있다. 빨리 먹자. 자기를 먹자.
Today we made chicken and potatoes with an air fryer. How was it? Easy, simple, and absolutely delicious, right? As you probably know, my life has been pretty hectic these days, thanks to those two hungry birds. But even on the busiest days, this recipe guarantees a tasty and satisfying dinner on the table. So if you're like me, please give this a try. If you do, no matter how busy you are, your weeknight dinners will feel easy, satisfying, and absolutely delicious. I guarantee. Alright, this is it for today, and I'll see you next time.